Hello everyone, my name is Xuchen Yao. I'm a product manager of SeaChat AI. Today I'm going to walk you through the third tutorial of the SeaChat's custom GPT tools. In tutorial number 1, I showed you how to get a dog picture by calling an external API. In tutorial number 2, I showed you how to assemble a very complicated URL address by filling out all kinds of different parameters and also converting from locations to GPS coordinates. Now in the third tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a list of dog pictures, which I never got to do in tutorial number 1. Now let's get started. So to get a list of dog pictures, we still go back to our beloved dog API over here. And let's see whether they have anything that shows multiple pictures at the same time. So actually, okay, we got something over here, right? So basically for this one, it shows three random pictures indicated by this number here, right? So what we're gonna do is that we will try to show all the 3 dog pictures in one go, right? And let's go add a new custom GPT tool, and then for this one we'll just say get dog pictures, and then the HTTP method is still get, and the endpoint URL is something like this. We're gonna address this 3 later, and the description would be retrieve a list of multiple dog pictures. Let me correct the typo over here. And by default, right, this one gives us 3, but we wanted it to be a very dynamic, right? So we want the SeaChat to actually extract this 3 over here, right? So what we're gonna do, since this this URL is actually in the path, right? So over here on path on parameter type, we're gonna choose path, and then for 3 here, we're gonna represent it with a variable called count in parentheses, and then the data type is actually 3, right? So it's an integer, and then the key here is also called count, right? So that we can match count back into this variable, and the description would just be the number of dogs, the number of dogs or pictures, right, requested, and then the default value, let's put it as 2, right? As you can see that our API test ground has dynamically reformatted this variable to 2, and then if I click on submit, it's gonna give me 2 pictures over here, right? So it looks like this is all working, and then let me save this, and then let's test our AI agent over here. Confirm, and this goes out a new window. Let me make this one a little bit bigger for you, right? So show me 3 dog pictures, 3 dog pictures over here. So I typed 3 in English, but GPT should be able to convert 3 into the number 3 over here. So as you can see, okay, I have the 3 here, right? So let me turn off the debug mode. Okay, that's a kind of lovely dog with a tongue, right? So this looks pretty good, and this is pretty big, right? So I'll show you one trick over here, which is I want to display all of this in a carousel of cards. So from here you see the optional card settings. I'll just enable this, right? After enabling this, it's gonna show. Oh, let's just try this one more time, right? So I'll create a new topic, and then exactly the same. Show me 3 dog pictures, the same queries, and then in this one, it's gonna show us a row of dog pictures, nicely wrapped in cards, and then you can click on the button to view more, right? And all of them are hound pictures here, right? So this is actually compatible with other channels such as Facebook Messenger. If they are able to display a carousel of cards and with the pictures, this will be very nicely and easily and smoothly translated into a different channel. So that's really depends on how you want to display those ones, right? So okay, great, yeah. So I can't help but notice that all of the dogs are hound, right? So what's going on here? Let's look at the API, right? So basically, looks like the breed here is called a hound. If you go to the dog pictures, and if you say, okay, I want to go by breed over here, you say over here, this one is a hound, and then presumably we could actually swap out the swap out the hound over here, right? So let's say if we list all the breeds here, what do we have? Oh, okay, yeah. So we got all kinds of different breeds here. Right? Eskimo is this, right? Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah. So we're gonna make this a breed a variable as well, and let's make it a little bit even more flexible, right? So I'll say, okay, breed is a breed in parentheses, and then inside this path parameter, we're gonna add another path over here, and this is a string, and then we're gonna say this is a breed, right? So we'll just say default value is hound, and then for the description, we'll just say the breed of the dog, such as well, let's see how many breeds we got over here. So if I go to browse breed list, oh wait, that's not a good, like list all breeds over here, right? So okay, wow, this is quite a lot, right? So beagle, a lot of people might like this, right? So we'll see. We got a beagle, we got a bulldog, we got a chihuahua, nice. And since I'm in Seattle, so I'll just choose husky as well, right? So and then there are so many others like German shepherds, etc., right? So even for hounds, oh yeah, we got a husky over here, right? Okay, I'm not gonna enumerate all of them, but let's try some of them, right? So hound, right? And then we'll see a default to hound. If we cannot find a dog breed, right? So, and then also we want to be very strict here because this is API call. So we'll just say must be one of those, right? And then default to hound, just in case that ChatGPT makes up some dog breed, and then we cannot find it from the API, right? Now let's save it. Let's give it a try. All right. So I'll see. Show me four huskies. Huskies. I didn't use the exact form, but let's see how SeaChat actually works out the pictures over here. So okay, great. Husky 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then show me 3 chihuahuas. Okay, chihuahuas, right? Hopefully this is how it's spelled. Chihuahuas, yeah. Oh, okay, great, yeah. Well, okay. Oh, well, yeah. Show me 3 chihuahua pictures, and they actually contain 4 of them, right? So this actually allows a little bit of a variation, right? So even though we know the canonical form of chihuahuas is this, I'll just change this, right? Chihuahuas. If I just use the pronunciation. Chihuahua pictures, right? Chihuahuas, right? Let's see whether ChatGPT can normalize this for us, right? So I got 4 chihuahuas, exactly not the way it's supposed to be spelled, but actually, okay, it works, right? So there's a integer normalization from English 4 to Arabic 4, and also Chihuahua and normalized into the into here. Into this, right, the canonical form, right? Okay, so far so good. Well, thank you so much for watching here, and then today I showed you how to do a list of pictures returns, and also gives you a nice carousel of cars, and finally I showed you how to use the path parameter to have a multiple of them, and then ground to some true value. This one is constrained by the type of integer, and this one is constrained by a set of different values over here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. And this is from SeaChat by SeaChat AI. Thank you.